Hi, I'm Valley from Greenwood Solutions. Today's video is on solar panel cleaning and entitled, Please Clean My Solar Panels. Remember, the solar panels are going to be producing energy for 25-30 years minimal. It really pays to keep them in tip-top condition. Your solar system has been installed, and as part of the overall process, you've been informed in regards to how much the system will produce on average per day, per month, per year. In fact, this information would have probably played a role in you making a decision to go down the solar road in the first place, especially if you are the proud owner of a commercial solar system. Now, the performance of your solar array makes certain assumptions, and one of these is that the solar panels are clean. Remember, the output of your system is directly related to how much light strikes the surface of your array and is converted into DC electricity and then passed on to your inverters, which converts this energy into AC that services your electrical loads. Your panels are the front line of producing energy. They are relying on the sun and basically unimpeded rays of the sun hitting the surface of the panel. You have a layer of anything on that panel, it is going to reduce the output. So it's absolutely crucial to keep those panels in a really clean state. So how much can dirt influence the output of your solar system? Well, the answer to that is 15 to 30% for moderate dust conditions according to the National Renewable Energy Laboratory. So I will assume a moderate level of soiling, a 25% reduction in overall output, and we will look at a domestic system of 5 kilowatts or 5,000 watts, location Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. This system on average will produce about 18 kilowatt hours a day, about 6,570 kilowatt hours a year. And if we attach a value of 25 cents per kilowatt hour, that equates to about $1,642 a year. If we reduce this figure by 25%, now the system saves $1,231 a year. So we've dropped $411 a year just because we've got dirty panels. So I'll assume a moderate level of soiling, 25% reduction in output, and if this was a commercial solar system of 100 kilowatts, the figures would be as follows. Produces 131,400 kilowatt hours a year, and we attach the same value, 25 cents per kilowatt hour, that equates to $32,850 a year saving. Dirty panels, reduced by 25%. Now the system saves $24,637 a year, and we've dropped $8,000 a year, a considerable amount. So here's our comparison chart. Note, the above figures assume a fixed price of electricity at 25 cents per kilowatt hour, and all solar produced is consumed on site. Now, that's obviously not the reality, but for this particular example, I've used that figure. Obviously, as a business owner, you have to be looking at whether the cost of cleaning the panels is negated by the increase in production from keeping those panels clean. And some areas are a lot dirtier than others. The amount of general soiling a solar system will experience depends on many factors. Amount of bird activity in the area. Some locations are naturally more dusty than others, like near tips or agricultural land. And coastal and bayside systems are more prone to salt buildup, so that can play a role. Systems near ongoing building works experience higher levels of soiling, and areas of high pollen count, which is another one. Pollen is a big problem. Solar panels don't get cancer, right? They don't need a layer of anything. They don't need sunscreen effectively. You must implement a regular cleaning schedule and make sure that it ensures optimum system performance, but also follows the opportunity for suitably qualified personnel to make a visual check of the system in general. In fact, sometimes panel cleaning schedules can coincide with a full system maintenance, but at the very least, the person conducting the cleaning can visually flag any obvious issues with the system if this is the case. Conclusion. The importance of maintaining a regular cleaning schedule for your solar system is obvious. But there is some semblance of control when it comes to addressing energy consumption. The system owner must practice due diligence in regards to prudent cost-benefit analysis, weighing up the cost of the cleaning process versus the losses if cleaning is not undertaken. As part of the cleaning process, a visual inspection of the solar array occurs. Potential existing issues can be identified and reported. Thanks very much for watching our video on solar panel cleaning. If you have any questions, any inquiries, any answers, please feel free to contact us and hit that subscribe button if you see fit. Thank you.